So, sabi dito ni Dear Grace, trade at your own risk. Kaya nga nire-recommend nila na extra money lang ang i-invest mo so hindi ganun kasakit pagtalo. Ayan po, tama po si Dear Grace kasi here in Forex, it's very risky. And when you put your money here, you have to make sure na you are at peace even na merong mga high impact news. I'll show you ngayon na. So, this is October 2 and nandito tayo sa Forex Factory where we check yung current news sa Forex, okay? So, as you can see dito sa 10 p.m., meron tayong high impact news. Itong pula na yan, ISM Manufacturing PMI, and 11 p.m. sa USD ulit, Fed Share, Powell Speaks, and may kita nyo dito yung impact niya, yung possible na maging impact niya, okay? And ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung naging actual na impact niya sa atin nung nagkaroon ng news na yan. So, ayan siya guys. Nakikita nyo yan. Nakikita nyo yan, puro pula. Pula, 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 pula guys. Dahil po yan doon sa high impact news na naganap last night. Which is eto. Ayan. Ayan. So, whatever happens in the market, we have no control at all kasi maraming external factors na nakakaapekto sa current price ng US dollar and other currencies. So, I hope na when you trade, you know the underlying risk and you only trade with the amount that you afford to lose. Kasi possible na yes, today, kumita ka, pero the next day hindi na. Possible na malaking kita mo kahapon, tapos today is hindi. Ganon. Kaya you always have to remember that past performances don't guarantee future performances. Okay?